Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas has a lot to offer. Come check out an ocean view balcony room with us to see what your home away from home can look like. Trying to figure out the best cruise for you? Check out our 5 questions to ask before picking a cruise, the links below, or schedule a complimentary consultation with one of our advisors. You can choose to have a queen-size bed or have it split into 2 twins, perfect for a friend's trip. This room sleeps 3 with the couch turned into a daybed, but ocean view balconies can sleep between 2 and 4 people. Our favorite spot is this balcony. Imagine sitting out there with your favorite drink and enjoying this view.